We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for to smash that like button. Tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig Vinco Ventures Inc. and the stock sat sideways after having a volatile upward movement, pulling back down and ending the day near a sideways action. And it wasn't the only stock acting this way. The overall market and the SPY did the same thing. Spiked up, pulled back down, and ended up the day sideways. And our SPY bot this morning since 9:40 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator, and call options from that moment forward were up 2 to 3x within minutes, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction the overall market or individual stocks are going. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators and the SPY bot. Now, the SPY acted this way and Bbig did as well. The only difference is Bbig is in a downward channel, right? That's what we're looking at right here. And we're going to talk about the key levels to watch going into tomorrow and the rest of this week. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into these charts. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I was watching this morning, and ALF turned out to be a home run, but not your typical home run. It had a moment that it was pulling downwards and consolidating before taking off, right? It was under a bear indicator on the 5-minute, pulling downwards towards the bell, had small jumps of 5 to 10%, and things started to pull back. Went into extreme weakness here on 42 vision, full shift into red with green borders, dark green, that extra layer of confirmation with that bull indicator on ultimate 42 vision, and it went all the way towards green, giving a highest point from the dip of 25% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with these charts. So here we are with Bbig Vinco Ventures Inc. and the stock is in a downward trend. Now we have some interesting levels here based off 42 vision and ultimate 42 vision. I'm going to pull it up, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities within the volatility of the markets, guys, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with Bbig on the 30-minute. It had been under a bull indicator since way down here at 235. Went to highs here of 284. Hit that peak. Started to transition downwards. Got a bear indicator in the pre-market today. Hit an extreme weakness point. Bounced off of it. It was a quick bounce from 243 to highs here of 266. Just about a 8 to 10% move. And sat sideways by pulling downwards. But the overall picture is showing a downward trend, right? And this is based off the 30-minute. This is why we're going to look at it from the bigger picture on what's going on here and what are some of the key levels based off the charts on what it's showing, right? So let's go ahead and go over to the 4 hour so we can see it together. So the 4 hour has been under a bear indicator since way up here at 333. Now, this was a consecutive back-to-back extreme weakness point, right? The last time this happened, we had not seen it since way back here in December, consolidated and slightly turned around and got that bull indicator and went upwards with extreme strength, right? That was a short squeeze play that actually happened in January. But right now, Bbig has been in a downward trend, and through all the volatility, right, it looks like we're going back down. It was going upwards, hit those red with green borders, quickly shifted into red, and it's continued that trajectory, right? These red bars are pulling it downwards, showing that there's weakness, and this bear indicator continues to dominate the chart. I stated as we were reversing here, there was some strength from the lows down here of 224 to the highs up here of 285, but we need to see a bull indicator to signify any strength, and we want to see it shift, right, from red with green borders to dark green like it has here. That hasn't happened yet. We're pulling right back down. So this right now is in a position, based off the 4 hour, no matter how low it goes, to possibly double bottom, right? That would be the effect that we want to look for. So let's just say it comes back and retests anywhere between 240 and 220 all the way down in this area. The goal is for the bulls to bounce off of that, use it as momentum, and start to break through resistance levels and eventually come with real strength and actually create that pressure, right, that the shorts need to feel so covering can start and possibly squeeze. I'm not guaranteeing or stating as financial advice that that's exactly what's going to happen and that's what's going to be unraveling, right? This is just my unbiased personal opinion of what I see here, right? I say it for what it is. It's not going to guarantee an effect like this, but it could create and stir up some type of momentum if it double bottoms here and bounces off of it, right? Based off the 4 hour though, right? So when we go to the 1 day in the bigger picture, things have been bearish since the beginning of the turnaround back here on January 21st and around the 20th days right there in January. And the highest point where that bear indicator popped up was 428, hit lows here of 255, bounced back up and fell back down. No bull indicators in this whole entire reversal that tried to come back up from the 250s to the 3s, but quickly things have shifted back down. And we were watching that the last time this happened, that we got red, right? Shifting from dark green with red within this volatility was way back here. And there was only 2 bars. And I was watching to see if there was going to be a third one, a fourth one, a fifth one. And were we going to eventually see here on the 1 day, white with red borders? We haven't even seen that, but we have seen a third one, a fourth one, and a fifth one. And here the stock is fighting to try to hold itself up, but the overall direction is showing downwards, right? So the 52-week low and range is probably one of the most important areas to watch for support, the 220s and $2 right now to the downside, right? But zooming it in, right, and looking at where we're at right now, the lowest point of the day was 243. If that gets broken through, then the next point of reference is down here at 224. We want to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears continue to tear this down closer to $2. Now, to the upside, we want to see this break towards 266 to 267. If it's used as support, the next resistance level will be up here at this level of 284, and then we'll start talking about probably $3 and up there in the 310s area. But before we do and talk about any of that, the first point that needs to be broken through is 267, used as support, and then start that staircase effect to the upside. And if this bear indicator can be negated with a bull indicator upon that reversal, guys. And we want to see also if it tests these supports down here, that it bounces back up pretty quickly and that the bulls can get out of this area down here, right? Anywhere in this channel down here and bounce out of it. But right now, these are the key levels. That's what the chart is showing. It is under a bear indicator on the 4 hour, the 1 day, and the 30 minute. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.